So we're getting all settled in. This is the Marriott Executive Apartments in Brussels. So Belgium, Brussels, Belgium. When you come in, you've got a little half bath right in here that someone is occupying right now. There's a closet here with an iron and an ironing board. That's helpful. It's also some hangers. Okay. If we come back out this way, to the right, you got the living room, dining room situation. It has a pull-out couch, which is going to be someone's bed for the night. And we got a table here, enough for 6 people. Full kitchenette. Refrigerator.
Look how wide
it's small.
Look how long the toaster is.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Like
toast. So this is a place that we could stay at for a little while. There's even some crumbs left from the toast.
I know there's a lot of stuff.
Paper towel.
You got a real full.
We can do some coffee. There's some coffee over there.
Oh yeah, oh my god. You can put a baguette in there.
There's a hot plate.
You can put a baguette.
Oh, tell me the name for this again. Amanda's gonna want to know the name. I never knew the name of this in Portuguese. And then someone, he told me the other day.
Corkscrew.
No.
Corkscrew wine opener.
In Portuguese, you never knew the name for that.
I never knew the name for this. You know what it is? Can you tell me again?
Abarido.
What is it?
Abarido.
No, that's not the name you told me.
Saca-rolha.
Yeah, saca-rolha.
What the hell is that?
Saca-rolha. It's like sacanage, right? But saca-rolha.
It's like a hura.
You know, this thing, the wine opener.
The corkscrew wine opener.
Saca-rolha.
It's a saca-rolha.
Come on, that's a great word. I thought you'd like that word.
Wow.
Saca-rolha.
Another Biden one.
We got a water filter. Some Brita water, huh? Did Ruthie bring that in her luggage or was that here?
No, we just did, Carl.
Okay.
Because there's no water here. Carl said, what am I going to do? No water. So I put some...
No eggs either, huh?
No, no eggs.
Really?
The microwave. Look at that, the handle is down here instead of here. That's
One of the
different.
best I've ever had, to be honest. Seriously. Right? Wow.
Look at the outlets.
Like they made the avocado.
Make sure to bring connectors.
Wow.
Tons of plates,
Did we
cups,
put this in this trash?
all kinds of goodies here. You could cook a feast up in here if we were here for a while.
Oh yeah. We cook tonight, buy all the food.
I mean, why is...
I do gotta say though, the room smells carpety.
Weird.
Weird.
Feels like somebody just painted.
I don't know. I'm not getting paint. I'm getting like old carpet. Musty carpet.
Oh, good.
It's kind of musty.
Homegirl sinuses will kick into...
Kind of musty. What's under here? Anything fun? No. Just storage.
How about it?
Yeah.
There's a piece of hair stuck on the wall.
Really? Where? All the way down there?
Right here, look.
You saw that from that far away? Oh yeah, that's exciting. That's in the bathroom.
That's not us. We just got
You saw that all the way down from there?
Yeah, well, because I thought it was a bug, actually.
Oh. It is a big bathroom though,
It's
isn't it?
lotion, though. Eucalyptus. Wow. Look at that tub. I feel like a geriatric. I don't even know how I'm going to get my legs over that. Wow.
The tub is huge.
I know.
Is this dirt? No. It's stains, like scratches. Oh, another hair.
The chairs are stained.
Another hair in the tub.
Yeah, what? Do we have like...
Not my hair.
No.
You would think that there'd be a toilet down here, but it's not. It's actually next door. So there's 2 half baths in the apartment. One toilet is to the left of this, and then there's another one a little bit further over. But the toilet is completely separate from the bathroom. I do like the amenity kits here. So we got the soap. Look at this lotion. Yes, I'm excited. This is the first hotel in like 10 hotels lately that I have found lotion. I'm stealing it. Don't tell anybody. Because I need it. I need lotion. I'm so excited. Shower caps. You got a couple of glasses. What's in here? There is shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. This thing here works. Yeah, hopefully. Let's check it out. Turn it on. Yeah, pressure is nice. Not bad at all. Don't want to get too wet. I'm just gonna open up the drain somehow. I'll figure that out, hopefully. 2 towels. More towels down there because we got a bunch of people. We got 5 people here. Some tissue. We come in here, we got 2 bedrooms. Somebody's already starting to nap for the night. Unpacking. And then we got another bedroom here. I opened up my windows. There's closets right in here. Got some extra bedding. Looks like a laundry bag. We're not staying in long enough for laundry though. The bed is nice, a little low for my liking, but it'll definitely work, hopefully. The wind is helping to kind of take the smell away. I forgot to show you the bathroom. Let's see. Yeah, nobody in there now. Here's the half bath. So, and you got a little sink in here. That's interesting, huh? This is how you flush the toilet. This is pretty interesting. So we're just... Oh, a lot of water to flush the toilet. My goodness. And then you got a little bidet here to clean yourself. That's nice. Small little bathroom. Reminds me of like a, I don't know. Yeah, it looks European. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, this is for us?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy yours.
Oh, appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Somebody just dropped us off a chocolate and some water.
Really?
Oh my God, look, did you call for this? No.
No, but we need water. That's it? Just one?
Just one.
For 5.
You can have it. I thought you'd be happy.
I
Evian.
am, but
Evian water.
Yeah,
Isn't that
but-
your favorite?
well, yeah, it's one of mine.
You can have it all to yourself.
but it's
How's that
mineral,
sound?
so I can't have that.
You can't have mineral water?
No, it's like salsa.
Really?
Yeah, it hurts me.
I guess I'll give it to Amanda.
Yeah, I love it.
Okay. Anyways, no mineral water for Aunt Ruthie. There's another bathroom here. Another half bath. The light is here. Same as the other one. But it's good to have 2 half baths when you got 5 people. So, I don't know what this situation is here. It's like a phone or something. It looks like it would be a camera, but it doesn't do anything. I don't know. I don't even know who you call with this. I don't know. If you know what that is, let me know. But I'm not sure. I forgot to go out on the balcony. I gotta go out on the balcony. Here's your water.
Oh, thanks.
And this looks like a chocolate. Did you enjoy that food over there?
Which for this one is
Yeah.
amazing.
It is amazing.
Yeah, it's very healthy. Huh?
Yeah.
Apples, pomegranate,
right?
quinoa.
Yeah.
What else is in there? Lots
There was
of
chicken.
lettuce.
Chicken's gone
Chicken.
now.
Almost.
Useless mix for the...
The lettuce are very
Lettuce,
fresh.
It's actually real plants.
Yeah, real bamboo. Look at
Hey,
that.
don't tell anybody. There was 2 lotions in the bathroom. I took them. Okay.
Eucalyptus, I saw already.
It's the first hotel in like 10 hotels that has had body lotion.
Yeah.
I think I told you about that. That I thought that, you know, there was like a nationwide shortage or a world shortage.
You have to come all the way to Brussels to get those.
Exactly. That's why we're here.
You're having a holiday today, but this has lotion.
Exactly. All the chairs flew over because the wind is ridiculous right now. You have no idea how ridiculous the wind is. I think there's gusts of like 50 miles an hour today for wind. No joke. So it is cold around here. It's not as bad without the wind, but I think they're saying it's like 35-ish, but with the wind it feels like 17. And it does feel like 17. However, is that gonna stop me from going out to try French fries in the French fry capital of the world? No, it's not gonna stop me. I'm just gonna take a little break and then I'm heading out. We will see you soon.